Hi, so today I'm going to teach you guys a little bit about Khan Academy by signing in through the teacher's account. It'll then direct you to this page, but instead of having to sign in with your first and last name, you can actually just sign in with your Gmail account. When you sign in, it'll take you to this page, but I like to use the dashboard because it gives you these steps on how to start off with Khan Academy. So the first step is actually to create your own class. As just an example, I can create any class, but I would like to create the math class. So after you do that, you can go back to the dashboard up here, and you can continue with your second step, which is adding students. So when you're adding students, you can actually add them through email accounts if they already have one, or you can import them from your Google Classrooms, which is pretty cool because that's actually what we're learning about right now. Or third, you can create accounts for students that don't have email. And here you will just create a username for the student, and you can create a password as well. The third step is actually pretty cool, which I've already practiced a little bit with. Pre-algebra for me is actually pretty fun, so I kind of went along with it. As you can see, I don't have any skills mastered, but it goes on, and with the colors it'll show you like how many skills you've not even started, how many skills you've practiced, and so on. So right under progress, it'll actually give you the lessons for what you've been working on. So like right here, I've actually started on factors and multiples. I've done a little bit of fractions, negative numbers, and coordinate planes. But if you scroll back up to the right hand side, it'll give you different things you can practice. You can compare decimals. You can create bar graphs here. Now the fourth step on the dashboard is actually really cool. You can learn how students learn better. There's a lot of feedback on different people's experiences that they've had, and a lot of people say that students do tend to do better when they go on their own pace. So the last step on the dashboard is actually to have your students log in. As soon as they log in, you can start by managing your students. You can see all the progress they've made. Right here it's supposed to show you all the names of the students, but since I don't have any students, it's empty. But here you can add students or you can remove students. But if you check student progress, it actually shows you bar graphs and different types of things that your students have progressed with. But Khan Academy isn't just about math. There's different subjects you can work on. Here's all the math that they have for the students. Here you can check what grade level you want to assist your students with. But here's also like science and arts and humanities. And here's test prep, which I actually thought was really beneficial for students that are taking different types of tests like the SAT. You can also go into specifics by pressing something into the search engine here. So I think Khan Academy is really to help your students, but it helps teachers as well because you can see what your kids are struggling with, and you can help them out as well.